medyo opposition ta sa administrasyon karon, ginakalaban ta nila, pero asa man ta karon, naalang gihapon ta, Dabawenyo, gabarog lang gihapon ta, o wa ta nila matumba. And as we stand on Bukana Bridge tonight, we extend our utmost gratitude to the People's Republic of China for making the bridge possible. Bukana Bridge serves as a vital part of the Davao City Coastal Road Network and the city government's goal towards modernization and infrastructure development. It stands as a monumental reminder and a symbol of the friendship between China and Davao City. This 2026, we welcome the Year of the Fire Horse. Like its dynamic and high energy attributes, we too must also be courageous, spirited, and bold in pursuing our goals and aspirations for the year. May this new year fill us with hope and abundance as we continue to build stronger communities for a more prosperous future ahead. So mga Dabawenyo, kayod lang, sagulan ako gamay politika, ang tanan ninyong gipili, kantong niaging eleksyon, kay ang hugpong sa tawong lungsod, kayod lang ta, tagaan munamo o gobyerno, nga ampingan inyong kwarta o makita ninyo nga mauli sa inyo ha. Maayong gabi sa inyong tanan, Kong Hei Fat Choi, God bless you all.
3, 2, 1! Davao City, the majestic Davao River Bridge, now radiantly illuminated as a symbol of our everlasting friendship and a brilliant new addition to our city's horizon.
This year, the Bukana Bridge serves as our venue for celebrating the Chinese New Year, a gift we present to the people of Davao. It bridges not only the physical divide between the two banks, but also forges the connection in daily life, economic activity, and shared emotions. It streamlines the commutes and facilitates gatherings with loved ones and injects vitality into the city's economy. The Bukana Bridge will become new landmark in our shared cultural memory. From the people of Davao to the Chinese people, here I wish to sincerely say thank you.